The 2013 Honda Crosstourer. Honda revealed the new Crosstourer, a fresh motorcycle based on a concept presented in 2010. This model is budged as a sport tourer and features an unstoppable personality that helps it attack any terrain without breaking down. Perhaps it goes without saying that the Honda Crosstourer was built for adventure, thereby it comes with a strong engine and various systems designed to keep the performances to a high level. Talking about the engine, the Honda Crosstourer is equipped with a lively liquid-cooled, 4-stroke, Unicam, 16-valve 76° V4 engine with PGM-FI electronic fuel injection. The engine delivers a maximum toqure of 126 Nm, 6,500 revolutions per minute, which is kept in leash by a 6-speed DCT transmission. The motorcycle's speed is kept in check by a combined anti-lock braking system which optimizes the balance of front and rear braking control to maximize the stopping power. The Honda Crosstourer is offered with a starting price of £12,399. Hit the jump for more information on the 2013 Honda Crosstourer. Overview. Honda is proud to announce the expansion of its state-of-the-art V4 model lineup by introducing the new Crosstourer, first launched as a concept model in 2010 at the Milan EICMA show. The Crosstourer will deliver all the fun and excitement of a sports tourer, with the comfortable upright riding position and maneuverability of an adventure machine. This is underpinned by Honda's V4 expertise and dual-clutch transmission with new functionalities. The development team wanted to create a motorcycle that gave the rider a sense of challenge and adventure, a perfect travel companion, while also offering a premium and unique design complemented by cutting-edge technologies, a motorcycle that could conquer a long-distance journey on fast major roads and motorways, or embark on an adventure to a remote destination in the mountains. The Crosstourer delivers this by combining sports touring features, such as the powerful V4 engine configuration also found in the VFR1200F, with features found on off-road motorcycles such as long travel suspension and an upright riding position. This crossover between two biking genres makes the Crosstourer a unique and versatile package. Long travel suspension, a feature of off-road machinery, smooths travel over rough terrain or on uneven road surfaces. The rugged suspension system also enhances ride quality and handling. The upright riding position provides comfort and command and outstanding visibility for the rider. Like the Crossrunner, unveiled at EICMA in 2010, the Crosstourer provides the power of a V4 engine packaged in a crossover motorcycle. Honda's dual-clutch transmission system is a perfect fit with the Crosstourer's advanced, pioneering spirit. The twin-clutch transmission offers both manual gear shifting, using buttons on the handlebars, and stress-free fully automatic functionality which can be manually overridden whenever the rider chooses. The machine also comes equipped with a traction control system, which increases riders' reassurance on low-friction riding surfaces, ensuring the engine never transmits more power than the rear tire can handle. Refinements such as Honda's Combined Anti-Lock Braking System underline the motorcycle's all-weather, all-road capability. This machine really is ready for anything. The Crosstourer sets a new standard in full-size sport-adventure sports touring motorcycles. It offers a unique combination of V4 engine performance with advanced technology for stability and handling, when riding solo or with a pillion, on all types of road surface and for all lengths of journey. Features. Euro 3. Complies with Euro 3 emissions regulations. Pro-link rear suspension. Monoshock rear suspension utilizes a triangular linkage system to progressively increase damping force through range of rear swingarm movement. Honda multi-action system. Cartridge-type front fork and rear damper design ensures a confident balance of compliant damping and precise handling. Honda ignition security system. Only allows the bike to be started by its original encoded keys to effectively protect against theft. Combined Anti-Lock Brake System optimizes the balance of front and rear braking control while counteracting tire slip when braking over variable road conditions. Unicam engine features. Innovative Unicam valve train, providing both the light weight of a compact single-cam drive and an optimum combustion chamber shape for maximum power at all engine speeds. V4 VTEC engine. Honda's unique two-stage valve control system maximizes power output across the rev range. Programmed fuel injection. Map-type computerized system maintains strong power and responsive performance in all conditions. Honda Evolutional Catalyzing System. Oxygen sensing system maintains an optimal air-fuel mixture for the most effective catalytic reduction of exhaust emissions. Specifications.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.